This is the hardest video I've made in a very long time. One of the projects, basically nothing went right. I think that was because I'm a perfectionist. So, this is it. I had everything planned right. I invited friends far and near so as to make another music video for my birthday. And to be honest, I didn't like it.
Even. Alpha. Omo yummy. You don't share one at all. What's wrong?
Nothing much. Just about the music video we did the other time. The smoke machine messed everything up. The footages were unusable.
Sorry about
really,
that.
Really bad, bro. Who do me?
I understand the feeling, sincerely.
So machine mess everything up.
Yeah. Ish, what to tell, no? Huh? Well, I think got all the shit to shell, no? Yeah, it is. So for me, so, what's your plan now? So, what do you intend to do?
Actually, I've been thinking of making travel videos for a very long time now. So, I think that's what I will do. So.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, fantastic. That's good.
Yeah.
In fact, I love your resolution about this, and I love the way you are taking the whole matter. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. You know what? Life is very funny, and what we encounter so many times, most of us, we don't even know how to deal with them. But all I know is that when life offers you lemon, you just have to learn how to make lemonades out of it. And with that, the sky will be the limit. You just need to keep pushing, you know. You don't give up. Winners don't quit. I strongly believe in you, and I know you're going to do well. All the best. Yeah.
Yeah, I should go, bro. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Now let's make a travel video. It's difficult to see how much failure teach us, but we can't deny the fact that we are not perfect. And quitting has never been an option for me as a filmmaker. Because I believe that consistency is more important than intensity. But the reality is that consistency over time becomes intensity. Sometimes we try so hard to make the perfect video, when in reality the story we should tell was the one in front of us the entire time. It's my birthday today, and I believe that This is the end of the beginning. God bless my niggas.